The Bhagavad Gita can offer guidance and wisdom for individuals seeking self-help and personal growth. Given ChatGPT has become so popular that a lot of developers jumped in and created solutions where they've integrated the Bhagavad Gita along with ChatGPT. So now you can get answers to your questions about life and how you can progress in life through Bhagavad Gita and an interface of ChatGPT. So without wasting any further time, let me quickly start the demo of GitaGPT. Let's begin. So this is the amazing interface of GitaGPT. Let me start by addressing this particular chatbot with a hello and let's see what the reply comes out. So let me just type in hello. Here it started giving me an answer. My dearest Arjun, it is my pleasure to welcome you to GitaGPT.org. So it gives you an introduction in terms of what it can do. So now we are ready to ask questions as well. So let me quickly start asking questions. Let me ask my first question, which is, how can one not have expectations about the results after putting in a lot of hard work? So here is the result that's coming from GitaGPT. One should not have expectations about the results after putting in a lot of hard work because it leads to attachment, and attachment leads to suffering. As Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, the attachment to the fruits of work is the cause of bondage in this world, because it is this attachment that produces desire. From desire comes anger, and from anger comes delusion. From delusion comes confusion of memory, and from confusion of memory comes the ruin of discrimination. When discrimination is destroyed, one is ruined. Amazing, isn't it? I just asked a simple question, how can one not have expectations about the results after putting in a lot of hard work? And I'm given an answer which is directly quoted from Bhagavad Gita. I'm not stopping here. I'm going to the next question now. And this question is related to all the data scientists, software engineers out there. There is an important concept of fear of missing out. So everyone's in the race of learning new things. There's always a FOMO that everyone carries, that whether we'll be left behind in this entire rat race. So let me ask a question. How to deal with fear of missing out and its resulting problems. So here is the output. The Bhagavad Gita teaches that we should not be attached to anything in this world because everything is temporary. This includes our attachment to people, things and experiences. It's given an answer and it's kind of in track with what I wanted to ask. So pretty amazing. The next thing that all of us are trying to balance is our personal and professional life. So let me ask a question related to that as well. So let me ask how to balance work and personal life. One should balance work and personal life by keeping work in perspective and not allowing it to become all-consuming. One should also remember that work is not the be-all and end-all of life, and that there are more important things in life than work. Let me ask, who is a successful man? And here is where we go deep. A successful man is one who has attained liberation from the cycle of birth and death. He is one who has realized his true nature as an eternal soul and is no longer bound by the limitations of the physical body. Truly philosophical. I mean, this essentially is what life is, right? So let me ask what life is. Life is the process of becoming. It is a journey from ignorance to knowledge, from darkness to light, from death to immortality. Here is where the exact quotation from Bhagavad Gita is given. For the soul there is never birth nor death, nor having once been does it ever cease to be. It is unborn, eternal, ever existing, undenying, and the list goes on. So, looking at the output, I don't know what to say. I mean, if you really want to have a philosophical conversation with someone, I think you should definitely read the Bhagavad Gita. But in times of real quick help, I think this interface can really help you give answers to the questions of life. And it can kind of give you that calming sensation that you're looking for. So, truly well done. I think there are other versions of Gita GPT that also exist on the internet. And the link of those websites is also something that I'll attach in the description section of the video. And feel free to check out all the links, and hope all of your questions related to life are answered. I hope you found this video informative. If you do like the content that I post on my channel, it would be super motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing videos on data science and machine learning. Thank you so much for watching the video.